Hello, this is once again Brenda Boyne with Brenda Boyne. Check this out. Have you been getting on your phone and having people say, I can't hear you, I can't hear you, I can't hear you. I can hear that you're talking, but I can't hear you. This can be especially frustrating if you've been on hold for a while. In a minute, I'm going to tell you one of the things that you might be able to do to fix that. Okay, I do not have the best phone plan in the world, but I do have the cheapest phone plan in the world. Okay, last time I had to change phones, it took me 2 days to port my phone number over. And it took me 7 hours total on the phone. I was on the phone for 5 hours the first day, and then when they had to go home, they didn't finish the call, they just cut me off. Okay, and I had to borrow a friend's phone to do that, because they're like, well, we can't do it with the phone that you can't be on the phone that we're trying to port over. Okay, so I really was distressed when I found out that my phone microphone was going bad. So here's the simple thing I did. Go to your app store. My app store was Google Apps. Okay, you put in microphone amplifier free. Okay, I mean, you can pay for one if you want. Okay, a microphone amplifier free. And they came up with a list of 4 microphone amplifiers. So I just picked the one at the top because they put them in by rating. And so it had 4 stars and the others had like 3 or 3.5. And I just downloaded it and it took just seconds to download. Went inside, there were only 3 different settings you could do. I did, microphone volume all the way up. Okay, and poof, all fixed. Completely fixed. So, if there's something wrong with your microphone, try this. Microphone amplifier free. Don't do speaker amplifier because that'll just help the speakers. Well, I mean, you can do it also if you want, but that will just help the speakers for when you're like listening to music and things like that. Okay, so I only make 1 video a week. I was going to do a little more important political one, but I thought, no, if you have to take like hours out of your life to go get a new phone and maybe maybe like me, days to port it over, okay, that's a serious issue. And when you don't have your phone for those couple of days, that's a serious issue. People need that to be fixed first, and then I'll do some political ones soon. Okay, I only do 1 video a week, and I do this video because I care about what you care about. Please like and subscribe. This is Brenda Boyne. Brenda Boyne, check this out. Have a wonderful day.